Hey there, my fierce and fabulous fairies, and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. We're going to be diving into everything you need to know to make sure that you're smudging properly. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit the big thumbs up and subscribe down below to get the latest videos. So let's get into it. What is smudging? Smudging is a common but powerful spiritual ritual that is quite effective at clearing off negative energies from your body or a given space. And since it's quite easy to do, you can do so regularly. Smudging is an ancient practice of burning sage or other herbs. Traditionally, it has been practiced by shamans and other indigenous people in North America. Smudging is one of the most effective methods to cleanse your aura, home, workplace, and even invoke the blessings of your ancestors. So naturally, you can use it to cleanse your energy field after you have been in contact with too many people during the day. This wards off any negative impact of their negative energies. Thankfully, it's very easy to do with proper guidance. But before we dive into how to sage properly, I am going to share with you how to detect if there is negative energy that is present. Simply place a lemon in every room of your home or office space. If you notice that the lemon is becoming discolored or bruised, this means that there is likely negative energy present. To detect if there is negative energy that may have attached itself to you, it is important to become aware of your energy and moods. If you notice that you're acting out of the ordinary or feeling more tired than usual, then this is a good sign that it's time for you to smudge. Negative energy loves clutter and disorder. That's why it's best to keep your home in an orderly and tidy manner. Remember that negative energy is nothing to be afraid of. Think of it as a person who is simply lost and looking for attention. So how do you prepare your space to be smudged? It's important to note that there will be a lot of smoke coming from your bowl when you're done. So before you get started, it's best to remove or turn off any smoke alarms. Also make sure all external doors and windows are closed and that any external airflow is turned off. This includes AC and exhaust fans. These will remain closed for up to an hour after you've completed smudging. So if it's hot out, it's best to cool down your home first in preparation for smudging. To enhance the experience, you can also put on some healing music without words, so that way you can usher in more peace. I do have some healing music playlists that you can refer to on my YouTube channel for help. You can also call in Source and your elevated angels to assist you with releasing anything that is present that is not for your greatest and highest good of all, and ask that any negative energy that may be present be released into the light to be transmuted into unconditional Source love and Source light. So, what do you need to sage properly? All you need is organic sage, a deep wooden bowl, and a long lighter. In today's video, I'm using a variety of sage blends to enhance the overall experience. This blend includes organic white sage, eucalyptus, cedar, dragon's blood, and herba santa. I will have another video where I talk more in depth on what fresh and positive energies each of these bring into your aura and home, and how they can help cleanse a space in their own way. So you're going to start off by taking your sage stick and cutting the string so you can break the sage bundle apart in your bowl. Start out with 1/3 of the stick and break it apart in your bowl. You can always add more as needed. When handling fire, please be sure to exercise discretion. You may have sparks that come up when lighting and blowing out the fire. Never leave lit sage unattended. So you want to start off by lighting your sage until there is a good amount of smoke. Once you have a good amount of smoke going, start moving the bowl around your body head to toe. Be sure to get your back as best as possible because that's where you store a lot of energy. You may also tear up during this process due to the smoke, so please be gentle on yourself and your body with this process and use your own discernment. This whole process of saging yourself should take about 3 to 5 minutes. And after you've completed saging yourself, make sure that all the internal closet doors, cabinets, and even toilet seats are open in the room you're saging. Then you want to continue to waft the bowl around your home, top to bottom, making sure to get behind doors and pretty much everywhere around your home. When you're done, it should literally look like you're walking in a cloud. Then you want to wait 1 hour until you can open any external doors and windows and allow that energy to escape. You can also use the AC to allow new airflow to enter into your home and release the negative energies. Allow new airflow to enter into your space for up to 1 hour. This will allow the dirty energy to fully be released. As you can see, smudging is very easy to do. So now I want to turn it over to you. Comment down below and let me know anything new that you've discovered in today's video. What have you done in the past to detect negative energy? So until next time, I am sending you so much beautiful source love and source light, and remember to always speak your truth and live your truth. Bye! Hey there, gorgeous. And I'm not talking about you, my fierce and fabulous fairies. Check out these gorgeous crystals that I now have available in my healing shop. Each are infused with beautiful Reiki healing energy from me. I am a Reiki master, so I work with these crystals one-on-one. And you can customize your crystals as well with these beautiful healing oils that smell fabulous. So be sure to get yours before they're gone. Link down below, thespiritualcrystalfairy.com.